Hi Doonistas, it's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and welcome to my channel, or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick video where I will be sharing with you the bags in my collection in the color Elephant. So if you guys know the color Elephant, it is a beautiful, beautiful shade of gray, and in certain leathers, it has a slightly mauve-y undertone. So if you are interested in seeing the elephant bags in my collection, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first bag in my elephant collection is this Dooney Bourke pebbled leather zip satchel. And of course she is in the color Elephant with the Sierra leather trim. Absolutely beautiful bag in this color, but I am going to have to admit the zip is really not my style. It's a little bit too small, but I will admit when I am carrying this beauty, I really enjoy carrying her. She has a really nice mouth, opens up very nice and wide. She's very classy. I think this is one of the most classy ladylike bags in the pebbled leather collection. So here we are, the zip satchel with the Sierra leather trim. Okay, so the second bag in my elephant collection is this Dooney Bourke pebbled leather large Lexington shopper, and of course this is in the color Elephant as well with the Sierra leather trim. Absolutely love this bag. It is a nice bag whenever you want to be hands-free. It has lots of organization. It has a pocket on the front on the outside, and also as well as an outside pocket on the back of the bag that goes all the way down to the bottom. Very comfortable on the shoulder. She passes the elbow test, for me at least. Absolutely beautiful bag. She is lightweight. She is a little bit thin, but that is the beauty of this bag because you can take her shopping or just for those light grab and go trips. So here she is again, the Dooney Bourke pebbled leather large Lexington shopper in the color Elephant. Okay guys, so here is an oldie but a goodie. This is the Dooney Bourke pebbled leather Brenna bag. Of course in the color Elephant with the Sierra leather trim. Lots of organization on this bag. She has outside pockets on either side, a nice size interior, and this is the smaller version of this bag. This is the original Brenna. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful bag. She is a perfect medium bag on the smaller size. And in my opinion, personally, she is a little bit weighty, but an absolute beautiful bag. So here we go again, the Dooney Bourke pebbled leather Brenna satchel, and she's in the color Elephant. Okay guys, so next we have here is the Dooney Bourke pebbled leather Large Mindi, and of course she is also in the color Elephant with the Sierra leather trim. Absolutely beautiful bag. She is a large bag, and I think she would be perfect for the professional businesswoman or businessman who is looking for a bag to carry file folders, computers, anything, water bottles, anything that you need. And I also think that the Large Mindi is perfect for travel. She's very carefree. You don't have to worry about her being thrown around because the pebbled leather is very durable. Absolutely beautiful. So here we are, the Dooney Bourke Large Mindi in the color Elephant. Okay guys, so last but not least, we have the Dooney Bourke Florentine leather Chelsea shopper in the color Elephant. Oh my gosh, you guys. I normally don't care for the Elephant in the Florentine leather, but for some reason this one has patinaed very nicely. Normally it patinas with a greenish, brownish undertone, but I think this one is taken more on the mauve tone. So absolutely beautiful, Chelsea shopper. This is another bag that I think is perfect for travel. I think this bag is perfect for the everyday businesswoman or businessman because it can hold lots. It has lots of organization on the side where you can put file folders or even a full-size laptop. So anyway, here we are, and this is the Dooney Bourke Florentine leather Chelsea shopper in the color elephant. Okay, Dooneystas, so I know there have been some questions posed about how colors different between different leathers. So let's do a quick comparison of the Florentine leather in elephant, which is here on the left, to the pebbled leather elephant, which is on the right. As you can see, totally different colors, but they both have that beautiful shade of gray. So let's just get a close-up. As you can see, the Florentine on the left has a little bit of a mauvey, browny, grayish undertone, if that makes sense. And the pebbled leather shade of elephant is more of a true gray, a true medium mid-tone gray. So here we are comparing the elephant and Florentine leather on the left to elephant in the pebbled leather here on the right. Okay guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this video, and as I always say, once you go Dooney, you go loony. So go out and get yourself a Dooney Bourke handbag collection in the color elephant, because you definitely can't have mine. Bye guys.